Your class. As you know that every day we are continuing our daily basis classes, our daily classes, right? In our daily classes, we have covered up so many chapters. You know all everything. The peoples have a complaint that we are not able to find the channel. So just what I will say to the people that how you can search the channel. First, you can open your this YouTube channel. Then you will write here this Ramanujam Shanto. Are you looking for? Whenever you will find his Ramanujam Shanto, this logo will appear. Here is one option, that is subscribe option you're finding here. You can keep this. Then you will come in any channel, right? Which channels you want to look here. If you want to show more, then you can come this way, scroll one by one, all right, and you can watch. There are so many channels available, which is very important to you, all right? Thousands Hindi words, right? Ramanujam number, right? Wherever how to you will find, you have to find this symbol only. Whenever you will get this symbol, that means you have to understand that you are getting the same number, all right? So I don't think that now you will have any problem to find this channel, all right? If you are facing the problems here to find the channels, then you can go on to your Google. Just you can open your Google Chrome. Here you open. Right now, after that, just you can write here Ramanujam. Just I'm showing you R-A this Ramanujam Shanto. Alright. You are looking here, this Ramanujam YouTube, Ramanujam Shanto. Okay, this all everything's coming automatically. Alright. What you have to do, you have to click here this way, and after clicking that, you will get your all channel serial wise. Alright. All channel serial wise. Is it clear? So thank you very much for your support, that at least you are supporting to us. Here you will find so lots of all of the channels one by one. You have to search here. Even you are finding that the people they are not finding the challenge. Please, what you have to do? Just I'm going to check here. Like here there is one here that if you want to share to this channel, then you can share to anywhere. Here YouTube, Facebook, Instagrams, email, wherever you want to, Twitters, anyone want to support, then you can submit. Raised when it will be complete, then you will come on the comment options, and you will write here your name. What you will write? Your name. Okay. After that, you will write about the quality of the channels. Awesome. Great. Definitely supportive. Okay, this types of anything comments you will write there, and your name will be. And if you have any issues, then you will write here in the comment option. Just you will go there, you will write your problem, your problem. All right. Then what will happen? We will open these things and we will let you know that what you want to say. All right. I do believe that you understand. Now for the today's class, just I'm going this, and let me find that what I will teach today. Okay. Yesterday I have given some classes daily wise. Some things I will add in the channel, and you will try to observe. All right. So just I'm going to open today's these classes. Look here. It's a very common word. What's so funny in it? What's so funny in it? What's so funny in it? Wipe it with the hanky. Wipe it with the hanky. What is this meaning you are finding here? Meaning is given here. What's so funny in it? What's so funny in it? What's so funny in it? Wipe it with the hanky. Wipe it with the hanky. Right? What is this meaning you are getting here? He's not reliable. He's not reliable. If nobody reliable, then you can say he's not reliable. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. That if anyone you are a very good person, very good boy, very good student. Even the people they don't believe you, that time you can say, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. That means I have not done wrong. You are understanding me wrong. Alright. Just I'm going to the next phase. This yesterday also I told you, as of now you have not completed. As of now you have not subscribed this channel, then how you will get it daily wise. So please go there and as of now, right? As of now you can subscribe to get the daily classes. Adverts, don't avert your daily classes. As you know that your class is suspended due to the pandemic. If you want to update your class, if you have any issue, then you can don't try to avert. Don't haste. Haste don't make you waste. Haste make you waste. So don't try to haste. Alright. This was yesterday also I told you, even for your confirmation. Just I'm going to repeat this thing. Let me see these things. He pushed me on purpose. He pushed me on purpose. He pushed me on purpose. So what is this meaning? He pushed me on purpose. I do understand that all my students, they are very fond of Hindi. They know Hindi very well. For their confirmation, I have here tried to wrote. Okay. He pushed me on purpose. Okay. I didn't do it on purpose. I don't do it on purpose. I didn't do it on purpose. He teased you on purpose. He teased you on purpose. So if anybody on purposely they are disturbing you, you can say he pushed me on purpose, or I didn't do it on purpose, or he teased you on purpose. Alright. This done. Great. Now little bit more words I would like to add for today in the class. Alright. The first sentence, he could not breathe deeply. He could not breathe deeply. What is the meaning will be? You will try to write. I have not written. He could not breathe deeply. Right? Next, he closed the door suddenly. He closed the door suddenly. Meaning is written. Even you will try to write in the comment section. Have you ever been to India? Have you ever gone? Have you ever been? Have you ever been to India? Have you ever been? Have you ever gone to India? Have you ever been to India? France is in Western Europe. France is in Western Europe. It is the direction here showing. No. Could you speak more slowly? These are highly requestable words. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Do you have any soft drinks? Do you have any soft drinks? Do you have time on Tuesday? Do you have time on Tuesday? Do you have time on Tuesday? Everyone speaks well of him. Everyone will speak well of him. Right? Everyone's tell sorry for Tom. Everyone tells sorry for Ram. Everyone tells sorry for him. Right? Do you want to go to somehow? Do you want to go somewhere? 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 Do you have time on Tuesday? Do you have time on Tuesday? Do you have any soft drinks? Do you speak more slowly? Do you speak more slowly? Do you have any soft drinks? Do you have a time on Thursday? Right? Do you want to somehow, somewhere? Do you want to go somewhere? Everyone's felt sorry for Tom. Everyone felt sorry for Tom. Everyone speaks well of him. Everyone speaks well of him. France is in Western Europe. France is in Western Europe. Have you ever been to India? Have you ever been to India? Okay, so this was the terms you can try to go, and how much possible you will write and learn. You will try to write and learn. Alright. How much you will write, that much it will be better for you. Alright. So this is the terms from which you can change. Alright. So this way today class is going to off. Thank you very much for your support. Still you are watching the first time. This is my humble request that just you can subscribe, share and hit the bell button so that any types of updation, any types of new update, any types of new video will come up, like for the neuroscience, like astrophysics, like Vedic mathematics, like for this any types of online works, online business support, or any types of video, motivational, spiritual, physical, right, or yogas, you will get in the first time. Alright. If you have any issue about, if you want to balance your energy, if you want to know about your energy balance, your Vastu and Mahavastu, if you want to balance and if you want to know that how much energy you have, in which category you are, then what you will do, you can call in the same number 7980284089 and you will get your information. If you will get your information, your energy, it will be boost up your career and it will be helpful to you. Okay, thank you very much for your support. Have a great day ahead. Be happy, be safe and take care and try to support to each and everyone's. Alright, be a very good citizenship for your country. Thank you very much.